doing over here?
Trying to put this over here together.
Yeah. Got this water pump bolt out. Let's see if it's gonna. Nope, too dark.
Welcome back to our channel, friends. In this week's episode, we're back on the boat. We're putting up the rest of the bimini to see what it looks like all together.
Oh my god. We're gonna be warm on our sail.
Scott, where's your hair thing?
I didn't put one in.
Oh.
Putting the canvas up makes her excited.
Sit. Easy.
How do you like the boat like shit?
Easy practice.
The lighting in the boat is all original and a little dim, so we're working on updating them. Rob put a new LED light in the settee. He also put in a red LED light that we could use at nighttime to see what it would look like. Next, we put a couple holes in the rudder post plate to avoid any future water from building up on it.
Well,
Sure it doesn't have one that's clogged or something?
what?
Sure it doesn't have one that's clogged or something, maybe? On the side.
Where would I put it?
Yeah.
Probably not.
Maybe not. Just an idea.
We re-greased some of the winches. Hey! Where are you going? That night there were so many seagulls, they covered all the docks and the fingers. The work was done for the day, so we tried out a cool restaurant called Half Smoke. It was an awesome experience with delicious, unique American food and a fun 90s theme. They even had games you could play while waiting, and they brought your check out in a VHS box. Of course, we had to have some Cold Stone for the walk back to the boat.
Jay's hard working. What are you doing, bud? You wet dog?
The next day, back on running free, we put the boom back on after it was done being repaired and upgraded.
Beautiful day. Come on, bud. You're wet. You're wet. Oh. What?
The clutch box lands right on that upper shroud. This much. Like if we were going downwind, we'd have to make sure that's not rubbing on the shroud.
Oh, up there?
Is that the upper? That is what it is. It's on there now.
How would it be any different now?
This wasn't here. I mean, it's just another. I don't think you're going much farther than this. You would be dead downwind going the boom out this far.
Yeah.
And this wind is really pushing me.
Check out last week's episode to see how Rob reinforced the gooseneck on our boom. We're so happy with the way it turned out. This sweet boy lives at the marina. You could see someone made him a shelter, and every time we're at the boat, I always give him a little wet food in his bowl.
That eye. And then pull the rest. Pull it all through. All the
Is that for the
main sheet.
main sheet? Got some more crew.
Tight?
Yep, you're good.
I see.
Now if you pull that and then pull that lever back down, it'll lock it.
Yeah.
Yep. You're good.
It's not all tight.
Yeah, they need to be fixed a little bit.
Yeah. Get cooler.
Yeah.
This is gonna sound like after you
Essentials.
fishies.
Fishy essentials.
Yeah.
Literally
They
just-
make a slice, they
Yeah.
can do something, I forget.
But she said you just ice it for 3 days and then it's fine.
Some people have, you know.
Complications.
Bub!
But she said she was trying to make it
Hey, bub! Let's do it. Ready? Look, ready? Here, stay. So make you touch it.
There's a bunch of apples over here.
Is it floating around?
No, it's all here. That's crumbs.
He only eats crumbs. He doesn't eat every bit. Yeah.
One for everybody. Yeah, you can eat. You can eat. You could eat. Yeah, you want them? Oh.
Yeah. Shows you how much he
Here. No, no,
does like the skins.
yeah. Come on, you first. Now your turn. No.
Do your dance, buddy. Do your dance, buddy.
turn the what you call it?
Propane?
Yeah. Plug them in up there.
Grilling time.
Bye eyebrows. Bye beard.
What are you doing?
Gotta get the sink fired up.
Teamwork.
You want to tell him that?
Think?
Yeah. He's old to be doing.
Think you're good?
Split one open. I think they're probably good. Yeah.
Not really seen after that.
They're hot. Took a while.
Oh,
You feel it?
So say. Yeah? Call it.
Yeah, and then throw them back on.
First time grilling on the boat, and the sausages and veggies were delicious. We cleaned up the vinyl on the Dodger with some vinyl cleaner, and it made a huge difference. My little sister Lucia had some fun with the camera. We had a successful 2 days at the boat and got a lot of the work that we needed done. There's so much more fun to come. We even have some huge news to share with you all. Stay tuned for next week's video for some more boat work.
This is awesome.
We'll be putting the mainsail back on.
Heck of a lot of
Sail there.
more than the other boat. I want to be in the darn bay right now.
Running the reefing lines to the new reefs. Rob goes up the mast. And the exciting news. Thank you so much to everyone who has supported us so far. We're so excited to continue to share all of our adventures with you.